Hello scholars, today I am going to start chapter number 9, rational numbers. So rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Like example is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5, minus 1 upon 3, 7 upon 9, minus 7 upon 9. So these are the examples of rational numbers. So now there are two types of rational numbers. One is a positive rational numbers and the second one is a negative rational number. So the example of positive rational number are 3 upon 8, 5 upon 7, 2 upon 9. And the examples of negative rational numbers are minus 5 upon 7, minus 3 upon 8, minus 9 upon 5. Next is rational numbers in standard form. So in rational number, in numerator and denominator, if only one is the common factor, then that types of fractions or rational numbers are called in standard form. Or we can say a rational number is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Now scholars, see exercise 9.1, question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So here we want 5 rational numbers. Okay. So what we will do in 5 and plus 1, that is 6. Means minus 1 and 0. Both we will multiply by 6 upon 6. Okay. See, minus 1 into 6 upon 6. So it will come minus 6 upon 6. And 0 into 6 upon 6. So it will come 0 upon 6. Now easily we can write 5 rational numbers. Okay. So the numbers are minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 6. And this we can simplify also. So the numbers are minus 5 upon 6, minus 2 upon 3, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 6. These are the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Now see the second one, minus 2 and minus 1. So here also we want 6 rational numbers. Yes. So here also we will multiply by 6. So minus 2 into 6 upon 6 and minus 1 into 6 upon 6. So it will come minus 12 upon 6 and minus 6 upon 6. Now easily we can find 5 rational numbers. So the numbers are minus 11 upon 6, minus 10 upon 6, minus 9 upon 6, minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6. And these we can simplify. So it will come minus 11 upon 6, minus 5 upon 3, minus 3 upon 2, minus 4 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 6. Okay. Now see the question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Number 1, minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20. So here one pattern is given. Okay. And we have to write the next 4 rational numbers. Okay. So now see here how this minus 6 upon 10 will come. If in minus 3 upon 5 we will multiply 2 upon 2. Okay, then what will come? Minus 6 upon 10. Now next one is minus 9 upon 15. Yes. So how minus 9 upon 15 will come? If in minus 3 upon 5 we will multiply 3 upon 3. So it will come minus 9 upon 15. Same as the last one, minus 12 upon 15. In this one also what we will multiply? 4 upon 4. So it will come minus 12 upon 20. So it means in the first one what? We have multiplied 1 upon 1, second one 2 upon 2, third one 3 upon 3, fourth one 4 upon 5. So next 4 we want, means what we will multiply here? 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 8. So the numbers are minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 35 and minus 24 upon 40. Now see the next one, number 2. The question is minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 12. So see here, first what? We will multiply 1 upon 1. So what will come? Minus 1 upon 4. Now in minus 1 upon 4, we will multiply 2 upon 2. So it will come minus 2 upon 8. Now in minus 1 upon 4, we will multiply 3 upon 3. So it will come minus 3 upon 12. Okay, now next 4 numbers we want. So we will multiply by 4 upon 4, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6 and 7 upon 7. So the answer is minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24 and minus 7 upon 28. Okay, now see question number 3. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 upon 7. So equivalent means when we will simplify, so answer should come minus 2 upon 7 only. Okay, so how we can find? Simple. Here also we will multiply by 2 upon 2, then we will multiply by 3 upon 3, then by 4 upon 4 and by 5 upon 5. So next 4 numbers will come. So answer is minus 4 upon 14, minus 6 upon 21, minus 8 upon 28 and the last one is minus 10 upon 35. So these are the required equivalent rational numbers. Okay. See the second one also, 5 upon minus 3. So here also scholars, we will multiply by 2 upon 2, then 3 upon 3, then by 4 upon 4, then by 5 upon 5. So the answer is 10 upon minus 6, 15 upon minus 9, 20 upon minus 12 and 25 upon minus 15. Okay. Now see question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So the first one is 3 upon 4. Scholars, you can see here the numerator is smaller than denominator. Yes. It means this 3 upon 4 will come between 0 and 1. Okay. So now let's draw the lines between 0 and 1. So the first line is 1 upon 4. Second is 2 upon 4. And the third one is what? 3 upon 4. Okay. This is the required point. See second one. Minus 5 upon 8. So here also the numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, and this fraction is negative. It means it will come between 0 and minus 1. So now let's draw the lines. So first one minus 1 upon 8, second one minus 2 upon 8, third one minus 3 upon 8, fourth line is minus 4 upon 8 and the fifth line is minus 5 upon 8. Okay, see the next one is what? Minus 6 upon 8. Next line is minus 7 upon 8 and the last one is what? Minus 8 upon 8. It means that is 1. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. This is the minus 5 upon 8. Okay. Now see question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational numbers? See the first one, minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. So here we have to see both rational numbers are same or not. So like you can see here the denominators are 21 and 9. Both are different. Okay. So first we have to find the LCM of 21 and 9, or we can do what? In the first one we can multiply by 9 upon 9, And then second rational numbers we can multiply by 21 upon 21. So it will come minus 63 upon 189. And the next one will come 63 upon 189. So now scholars, you can see here denominators are same, but one numerator is negative and is positive. It means one rational number is positive and the second rational number is negative. So both are not same. See the next one, minus 16 upon 20, and next one 20 upon minus 25. So in the first one, minus 16 upon 20, we can multiply 25 upon 25. And in the second one, 20 upon minus 25, we can multiply by 20 upon 20. Okay, so see in the first one, what we have done? We have multiplied minus 25 upon minus 25. Okay, so it will come 400 upon minus 500. And the second one is 400 upon minus 500. So now you can see here both the fractions are same. Okay, so it's represent the same rational numbers. Now see the question number 7th. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Means we have to simplify. So first one, minus 8 upon 6. So scholars, what is the HCF of 8 and 6? That is 2. Yes, it means this minus 8 upon 6 we will divide it by 2. Okay, so the answer is minus 4 upon 3. Now see the second one, 25 upon 45. Now here also find the HCF of 25 and 45. So it is 5. Okay, so now 25 upon 45 we will divide it by 5 upon 5. So the number is 5 upon 9. See third one, minus 44 upon 72. So again here the HCF of 44 and 72. So it is 4. Okay, now minus 44 upon 72 we will divide by 4 upon 4. So the answer is minus 11 upon 18. Now see question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? First one, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. So here you can see both the denominators are different. So first we have to make it same. Okay, so in first one 2 upon 3 we can multiply by 2 upon 2, and the second one 5 upon 2 we can multiply by 3 upon 3. So it will come 4 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Now scholars, easily you can identify 15 upon 6 is greater. Yes, so 15 upon 6, it means what is the actual value? 5 upon 2 is greater than 2 upon 3. See second one, minus 5 upon 6 and minus 4 upon 3. So here also in the first one we will multiply by 3 upon 3, and the second one we will multiply by 6 upon 6. So first rational number will come minus 15 upon 18, and the second one is minus 24 upon 18. Okay, so now you can see here both the denominators are same. So minus 15 upon 18 is greater than minus 24 upon 18, and the actual values are minus 5 upon 6 is greater than minus 4 upon 3. Okay, see one more, minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. So in the first one, what we will multiply? Yes, minus 3 upon minus 3. This we will multiply. Okay, and the second one, what? 4 upon 4. So it will come 9 upon minus 12 and 8 upon minus 12. So now both the fractions are negative. Okay, it means what? 8 upon minus 12 is greater than 9 upon minus 12. And 8 upon minus 12 means 2 upon minus 3 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. Now see the last question. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So scholars, here all the denominators are same. Okay, and see the numerators. So in negative numbers, the smaller value is the greater one. Yes, It means minus 3 is smaller than minus 2 and smaller than minus 1. So ascending order is what? Minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 2 upon 5 is less than minus 1 upon 5. See the second one? Minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 3. Okay. So here 3, 9 and 3. These are the denominators. So what is the LCM? It is 9. Okay. It means all the three rational numbers, the denominator we have to make 9. So in the first one we will multiply by 3 upon 3. Second one we will multiply by 1 upon 1. And the last one we will multiply by 3 upon 3. So the numbers will come 3 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 12 upon 9. So it will come minus 3 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9 and minus 12 upon 9. So here minus 12 upon 9, this is less than minus 3 upon 9, this is less than minus 2 upon 9. Okay, so the answer is minus 4 upon 3 less than minus 1 upon 3 less than minus 2 upon 9. So scholars, your first exercise completed. Now see exercise 9.2. Now see the question number 1. Find the sum. 5 upon 4 plus in bracket minus 11 upon 4. So scholars, you can see here both the denominators are same. So directly we can add. Okay. So 5 minus 11 upon 4. This is minus 6 upon 4, and when we will simplify, so it will come minus 3 upon 2. See the second one. 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Okay. So here the LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. Okay. So it means both the denominators we have to make 15. So in the first one we will multiply by 5 upon 5 and second one we will multiply by 3 upon 3. So it will come 25 upon 15 plus 9 upon 15. Now both the denominators are same. So now easily we can add. Okay. So 25 plus 9 upon 15. It means 34 upon 15, and this we can convert into mixed fraction. So the answer is 2 whole 4 upon 15. Now see the third one. Minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. Now here scholars, first we will find the LCM of 10 and 15. So the LCM is 30. Okay. So now both the denominators we have to make 30. So in the first one, in 10, what we will multiply here? Yes, 3 upon 3. And the second one, we will multiply here 2 upon 2. So first one will come 27 upon 30. And the second one is 44 upon 30. Now both the denominators are same. So we can add. Okay. So minus 24 minus 27 plus 44 upon 30. So the answer is 17 upon 30. Now see question number 2. Find 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. So here also scholars, the method is same. First what we will do, first we will find the LCM of the denominators. We will make it same. Then we have to subtract. Okay. So 24 and 36. The LCM is what? 72. Okay. So in the first one, denominator is 24. So what we will multiply here? Yes, 3. And the second one, denominator is 36. So here we will multiply by 2. Okay. So first one will come 21 upon 72 and minus 34 upon 72. So it will come 21 minus 34 upon 72. So after subtraction, it will come minus 13 upon 72. This is the answer. See the second one. 5 upon 63 minus in bracket minus 6 upon 21. So when we will open the bracket, so what will come? Minus minus is, yes, plus. So the question is 5 upon 63 plus 6 upon 21. Now find the LCM of 63 and 21. So it will come 63 only. Okay. It means in the first rational number we will multiply 1 upon 1 only. And in the second one what? Yes, 3 upon 3. So it will come 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. So 5 plus 18 upon 63. Answer is 23 upon 63. Now see the third one. Minus 6 upon 13 minus in bracket minus 7 upon 15. So first we will open the bracket. So it will come minus 6 upon 13 and minus minus plus 7 upon 15. So now the LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. Okay. So in the first one we will multiply by 15 upon 15. And in the second one we will multiply by 13 upon 13. Okay, so the numbers are minus 90 upon 195 and plus 91 upon 195. So answer is 1 upon 195. Now scholars see question number 3. Find the product. Number 1, 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. So here simple multiplication we have to do. So numerator we will multiply by the numerator and denominator we will multiply by the denominator. So 9 into minus 7, this is minus 63, and 2 into 4, so 8. Okay, now convert into mixed fraction. So it will come 7 whole 7 upon 8. See the second one, 3 upon 10 into minus 9. So 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1. So 3 into minus 9 is minus 27 upon 10. Now convert into mixed fraction. So it will come minus 2 whole 7 upon 10. See number 3. Minus 6 upon 5 into 9 upon 11. So again numerator and denominator we will multiply. So 6 into 9 54 and 5 into 11 55. So answer is minus 54 upon 55. Now see question number 4. Find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. See the solution. Minus 4. Now the divide sign is given. Okay. So this sign we will change into multiply and we will write the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay. Now minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 upon 2. So the answer is minus 6. See the second one. Minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. So minus 3 upon 5 will come same. This divide sign will change into multiply and the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Now multiply. So it will come minus 3 upon 10. See the third one. Minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. So first minus 4 upon 5 will come same. Divide sign will change into multiply and the reciprocal of minus 3 is minus 1 upon 3. So minus 4 into minus 1, yes it is plus 4 and 5 into 3 is 15. So scholars, your chapter number 9 completed. For worksheet you can see link given in the description box. So thank you everyone.